Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Uline stand-up ice maker and you're having this issue where it's getting too full with ice and you're not sure what to do. Now, according to the manual, there's a couple things that you need to do if it's getting too full with ice. First is to check the thermistor to ensure that it is installed properly and any holes through the rear of the cabinet are completely sealed with sealing compound. Warm air that can make its way to the thermistor will give improper readings and cause the bin to overfill. And secondly, the bin thermistor offset may be changed via the service mode option number 5. Be careful to adjust in small increments to suit your customer preferences, i.e. if you overdo it, you might end up with having no ice, and if you do it too much, you might end up having like way too much ice, making things even worse. So anyways, this is what the manual says to do in this situation. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.